All right, we are back, ladies and gentlemen, for another live stream. Welcome everyone in. Hopefully, you are having a great Tuesday. Welcome. We are back for another live stream. All right, talking SHIB, all things crypto tonight. Welcome. All right, I got all my waters on deck. I've got about 4 or 5 bottles. Hopefully, that's enough. All right, welcome back in. Welcome in for another live stream. Talking SHIB and all things crypto, whether it be ADA, ETH, Doge, Matic, everything else in between. So Shiba Inu in that 28th spot, hitting our support levels right now, down a little bit, but that's okay. We're still in a good spot. A lot of things have been fluctuating today. Bitcoin fell below that 43,000 mark, which was interesting. We'll talk about that. Just dipped below 43,000 again. It's fluctuating in the high 42s and low 43s right now. So just put out a video on that as well, talking about Cardano and its future. So make sure you check out that video as well. Welcome back, everyone, to another live stream. We're going to get everybody in here. Go ahead and like the video on your way in. Hey, Jay Will, welcome. How you doing, man? How are you? All right, so not a lot of news today coming out of SHIB, and in fact, they haven't tweeted since the last time we were on stream, which is interesting. I'm still waiting on some big news, but hopefully we get something soon. So, how's your day been, Jay Will? I'll go ahead and follow Ethereum, actually. Texas boy, I have 1K to invest. Where should I invest it on? Okay, Texas, let's break that down for you, man. So 1K, Texas, do you want to go all crypto or do you want to go crypto and stocks? Need to know that too. Of course, there's other places to invest that money too, whether it be real estate, starting your own business. Sebastian, I am a noon. I want to shift my SHIB to my Trust wallet, but Binance wants to charge over 2 million SHIB for the transfer. Is there a non-noob way to move my SHIB? Sebastian, your way is the only way I've heard of so far. So, somebody else might have an answer for you there. I would just sit tight if I were you right now. I would just sit tight, hold tight. All crypto. Okay, Texas boy. Total newbie to this. Okay, well, welcome to the stream, brother. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new here as well. So we're building a nice community out. Really nice community. Everybody's helping each other out. So we'll take a look at the coin market caps for you, Texas boy. And just for a disclaimer, hold on, let me crack this real quick. Okay, just for a disclaimer. So this is not financial advice, okay? This is only for information, entertainment purposes only. These are things that I like. You need to do your own research, though, okay? But I'll give you some things that I'm invested in. I am invested in Bitcoin, not as much as I once was. Ethereum, I am invested into Ethereum. I think it's a really nice long-term coin that I think is really the future of the crypto space, okay? Now, some things with $1,000 that if you wanted to rack up a lot of. I'm a huge fan of Cardano, Texas boy. So, in fact, just put a video out before I went live here tonight talking about Cardano, and then there's another one from a couple days ago talking about some price predictions on there too. So, check out what I have to say about Cardano. But in the short term, it's a proof of stake coin, which really is the future of cryptocurrency. So, Cardano is really situated nicely to have a really nice run, especially in this bull run. So, I think in the short term, you can make some money with Cardano, and in the long term. So that would be one I would look at. Dogecoin is another one. I think Dogecoin is here to stay, at least until 2022, until the rocket sets off for Mars with Elon Musk. So, Dogecoin is another one that I would look to if you're starting out with $1,000. A couple other that I myself am invested in. I will say this, a lot of people like Polkadot. I am not invested into it yet, but maybe will be soon, and I'll announce that on stream when I do so. I'm just kind of watching it right now. I like to watch things, for a few weeks up to a month, sometimes more than that before I invest in it. I am invested into Chainlink, one of my favorites. It's back up over 40, guys. Remember, it was down below 40. I said it wouldn't be there very long. Look at Chainlink, now back up today, 13%. Polygon, look at this, guys, up to 247. This is one of my favorites here, Texas boy. One of my favorites right here, Polygon. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's up in the 24-hour period the most. Yeah, it's Polygon, I thought. Thought so. So Polygon, one of my favorites. This in Cardano with $1,000. Again, just my opinion. If you split this 500 between Polygon and Cardano and held on it for 3 to 5 years, I think you'd be sitting pretty nice. I think you'd be sitting pretty nice, man. That's just my opinion, Texas boy. All right. But a couple other ones. If I could go down, actually, let's get rid of this and go back to top market cap. Let me go reverse that back. Okay, so another one I like, VeChain. This is another cheap token that I think has a lot of room to run. It's actually up a little bit today. This is another one that I really, really like, Texas boy, as well. So there's a few for you. Hopefully that helps. Let me know if that helps you out. Let me know. Oh, and then of course, Shiba Inu, my friend. You can get a ton of tokens with this, so I would definitely get something with that $1,000. Put it in SHIB as well. So SHIB is way less than a penny right now. You can get upwards to 1 million coins for pretty cheap. So put a little bit in there would be my advice. And then if you really want some nice growth that are kind of already stabilized and really only going to move up from here, look at Polygon, guys, back up to the 15th spot. This was 17 just yesterday when we were talking. It was number 34 in market cap about 10 days ago, a little less than that. So this thing has just been moving parabolically, 131% increase in the 7-day. Yeah, no problem, Texas boy. Appreciate that, man. Make sure you smash that like button in return. That would be super helpful, brother. All right, so how's everybody doing today? Sebastian, so I wish I got into Poly a few weeks ago. Yeah, I think you're still, I would watch it closely because eventually it's going to dip back down, and you know how much we've talked about it on stream. Yeah, so I would just watch it, wait for a little dip, and then jump in. That's all. All right. So the graph. Yeah, let's take a look at the graph. I haven't invested in the graph yet, but I know a lot of people are talking about it. Where is the graph? Let's see here. Did I pass it up? I might have passed it. It was pretty high up on the list at one time. Right? Where is the graph? Let's go up here and search it here. The graph. Let's see. The graph. Let's see. Okay, the graph. Number 81. Okay, I knew it was in the top 100. Okay, it's up a little bit today. Let's see. Let's see what it's about here. It's in a bit of a dip. Well, yeah, if you look at it on the all chart or even probably in the 1 month, 3 month, you're definitely right. It is in a little bit of a downturn right now. So if you like it, it might be a good time. Volume is really down. Look at all the volume here spiked up in February. That's interesting. All right, let's take a look. So what is it? It is, okay, it's coring data for networks like Ethereum, which I like. Okay, I like that. To date, over 3,000 subgraphs have been developed and deployed by thousands of developers for dApps like Uniswap, Synthetics, Aragon, Aave. Interesting. Okay. Oh, Decentraland, one that I've got my eye on. I want to check into this a lot more. So, at over 50% moment, hit over 7 million cores during the month of September 2020. Interesting. So the graph is working to bring reliable decentralized public infrastructure to the mainstream market to ensure economic security of the graph network and integrity of data being queried. Participants use graph token. Okay. So it's a token on the Ethereum blockchain used to allocate resources in the networks. I like where it's heading in terms of what it's working, what coins it's working with too. So that's that's one that I would check out. I can't tell you to get on board with it. Obviously, you got to make that decision on yourself, on your own. But this isn't one I'm invested in, but it's definitely one I've heard of. I tend to watch the top 100, but let's say this breaks into the top 50, right? Then it would really be on my radar. Okay, that's just kind of my strategy. right now at 81, and it's kind of fluctuating. But if it popped back up and then it settled back down and was trading sideways, and all of a sudden it's in the top 50 market rank or market cap, then I'd really probably take a strong look. But that doesn't mean you can't get in earlier than that. I just like to take a little bit less of a less risky approach. Easy for me to say, right? All right, I need to take a sip of this here. Hold on one sec. Okay. All right, guys. How's everybody doing? What else is going on? Any questions do you have about any particular token? How's your day been? Over 9,927 now cryptos. I can't wait till this number hits 10,000, right? It goes up, it feels like, every single day. Oh, it just went down. We lost one. But guys, in terms of Shiba Inu, we've got it up there right now, top 30 still. I'm excited about that. I would have thought the price would have moved up a little bit, a little bit up from here, but still sitting at number 28. Still trading, pretty sideways right now. We're hitting our levels of support. I'm pretty happy with this. Okay, so let's take the 1 day. Take a look at the 1 day here. Okay, a little bit down here. It's been down quite a bit today, but still not really breaking our support line too much, which is good. We only broke that support, so if we take a look at the 7 day, we broke that support line way down in here. We got back into the 12s, right? But other than that, it popped back up. Okay, we got all the way up to 1.9. Would have liked to see it break up into the 2s, but then we've kind of just been trading pretty sideways since. So, I don't think this is a terrible thing. We're still waiting on Shiba Swap news. We're still waiting on some things in relation to Vitalik. Did he perhaps burn that additional 5%? Nice volume increase here, though, yesterday and today, right? So a nice little volume increase. How's everybody doing? Welcome into the stream. Sebastian, it's in a bit of a dip. I'm into small, but watching. Into small market caps or just small by price? What do you mean? Make sure you guys like this stream too. Help us get it out there to a lot of people. We had a few nights ago we had like 1,700 people in here. We were all hanging out. We had a great time talking about all different kind of cryptos. So yeah, it was a lot of fun. All right, let's take a look here. See if we're getting anything in news, relation to news. Let's see here. Shiba Inu, let's see. Okay. So this was a May 18th article. Swedish indie rockers We have recently let go of their new album Marriage, released via the consistent Ramalama Records, such as the single Shiba Inu, a track that feels pulled from the 90s. A moving blend of garage rock that is delivered in a personal manner. What? They came out with a song, Shiba Inu? I wonder if this is in relation to the token. This is hilarious. That's pretty funny, huh? That's pretty cool. It builds and builds quietly, not confidently, until it finally allows you to cathartic release. You can stream Shiba Inu now below and find the whole album available. This is hilarious, huh? Have you looked into a quarry? I'm basically into altcoins. SHIB 56 mil, bit of BAT, bit of Graph, cashed out Loop Ring, and bought more Graph, ETH for Blue Hip long term, and 1.9 million a quarter. I have not heard of that one. No, I have not. So you're into altcoins though. Have you looked at Cardano? What are your thoughts on Cardano, Sebastian? So let's go ahead and go back and let's see if we can find anything else related to SHIB news here. Let's see if we can track down anything. I haven't seen anything. It's been a pretty quiet day, but that's okay. We'll go ahead and talk about all things crypto, and of course, if anything comes out related to SHIB, we'll have that for you too. But actually, here I got this up. So still nothing yet. It's been 23 hours since their last tweet. So let's go ahead and type in Shiba and see if we can get something to come up here. 217 ADA. Nice, brother. Yeah, that's one I really like long term, man. It's all about the future of crypto related to proof of stake, better on the environment. I really think they're going to have a nice future in the space. I really do. Okay, let's go latest here, see if we can find anything. We'll like that, right? I read through it. I'm definitely going to save this article to look back on as well. Let's see what they're talking about here. Technical introduction to trend and trend line. Okay, technical analysis they're talking. Okay, last chance to get cheap SHIB. Nice. Yeah, definitely. 14 million enough to party? Stephen Carpenter, yeah, brother. That's enough to party. Yeah. Oh yeah. I had 10 million until it dipped the other day and I bought in 10 more, so I've got 20 million. But yeah, man, we could party with 14. That's cool. Yeah, for sure, brother. All right, let's check out anything going on related to SHIB. Is worldwide now true decentralized token better than Doge? Okay, Shiba coin, VB burn 40%. Okay, nothing really new here. Trade Shiba Phantom. Shiba Phantom Shiller. Be part of the best token community with Shiba Phantom. Pay almost nothing in transaction fees on the Phantom network. Okay, let's see what Alex Zhao has to say here. Amazing Shiba Army, brother. Okay, let's do it. Shiba Army United Bounty with Hotbit. Drop your Hotbit UID here. Okay, Shiba, nothing here. Related to news, though. Okay. Still waiting on the big news in terms of Shiba Swap. So we'll wait and see if we can get something on that. Who knows? Maybe we get something tonight on stream that comes across. So we'll have to wait and see if that happens. This is something I addressed, guys, in my last video. Speaking of ADA and Cardano, we were just talking about that, Sebastian and I. ADA really on the rise, guys. The best green coins to buy. This is what I was saying relating to being environmentally friendly, right? When you look at BTC and ETH, right, ADA is a lot more friendly on the environment, right? So the mining of Bitcoin and Ethereum is not very efficient, therefore produces a lot of wasted energy. However, Cardano is far more efficient due to its differentiated underlying architecture, and that has to do with it being proof of stake, right? Instead of this proof of consensus algorithm, right? Or I'm sorry, this is actually one of the solutions. But the difference here, or I'm sorry, yeah, Bitcoin Ethereum is proof of consensus, which we don't like because it, you know, it takes up a lot of energy, and it also takes a long time with transaction fees as well. You know, that's one of the big knocks on Bitcoin. Also got sucked into Kishu but managed to keep composed. Nice, man. Yeah, I hear you. PDX is supposed to blow up. What's that one about, Steven? PDX, I haven't heard of that one. Bitcoin and Ethereum both use broadly inefficient proof of work algorithms, which are basically competitive winner-take-all processes. Right, I talked about this in the video. Make sure you check this out because this is really, really important. I think, obviously in the short term after Elon's tweet, these proof-of-stake coins are going to be really, really at the forefront, I think. And I think even, you know, the news outlets, whether it be the cable news, the news outlets that are covering the stock market who are now covering crypto, which is pretty cool. I think they're going to be talking about this a lot more heading into, you know, the rest of this week and next week and for a long time. Truly do. Polkadot, it's connected to Polkadot. Okay, cool. I have heard that Polkadot is really expanding their ecosystem. So I think anything connected to Polkadot right now is probably a pretty good bet. You know, Polkadot is a top 10 coin right now, and you know, gets a lot of love from a lot of people in the crypto space. So definitely. All right, guys, make sure you smash that like button. Help me get this out to some other people. I'm wondering if I could edit my title here while I'm on stream. Is that possible? I think so, right? Shiba Inu, let's do this, and everything crypto. How about that? And everything crypto, let's do that. See if that Helps us get out there to everybody. All right, guys, appreciate that. Thanks for liking the stream up. Jay Will has good info on Twitter. Shiba Informer. Okay, sweet. Let's check that out. Shiba Informer. Nice. We'll check that out. Shiba Informer. Appreciate that, Jay Will. Thanks, brother. We'll go ahead and just follow him. I'll take your word for it, brother. News about SHIB ecosystem. Okay, I will provide. Stop reporting. Okay, let's see what we got here. Why so many scammers attack us? Why is there so much scam? Okay, they're talking about SHIB Army can move fast. We can close the scammers account quickly. Okay, so a lot of scammers out there. Totally get that. For every little piece of info we release, these are trying to take advantage. Okay, leave this here. Okay. Did it wrong. Oh, interesting. No legit token from us. It's called Shiba Swap. You have been more. Yeah, Shiba Swap is yet to be rolled out. A sample of people that try to buy Shiba Swap tokens. Interesting. This is. I haven't even heard about this. That's pretty interesting. Okay, here's an update. Nice. This is a nice update here. 18 hours ago, 395,000 regular SHIB holders, SHIB holders, up 17.7 last 24 hours. That's nice. And we got some leash holders as well. 13,400. Number 5 altcoin. Trending on the DEX Tools app. Nice. Number 27 in coin market cap ranking. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, welcome guys. Welcome. Very true. Put a Lamborghini on the thumbnail and people will go crazy. Yeah, Steven. I know that'll probably work, right? Yeah. I try not to be like too what do you call it, clickbaity with my headlines and things like that. Yeah, Sebastian, what's up? I almost got sucked into Kishu but managed to keep composed. Nice. Get in on this early. Okay. What do you mean? All right, let's go back over here and check out some of the top. Akori just got listed on CMC. Okay, so what is Akori? Let's go ahead and look that up. Interesting. Okay. Ethereum founder had an interview on YouTube about SHIB. Okay. We'll try to look that up, Jay Will. Jay Will, if you could send me, do you have a link? If you have a link, if you want to send it to me on Twitter, it's at @Z_Humphreys. That'd be sweet. And I can pull that up and we'll take a look at it. We'll watch it. Okay, so going back up. Okay, so I want to take a look at Akori real quick, right? So what is this now? Okay, it is on the market cap way down in the 3,000. So we'll go ahead and see what this is about. Okay, it's super cheap at the 1.5 level. Interesting. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 day. It's down a little bit. How new is this coin? It's got to be super new, right? It's like 1 day, huh? Did it just come out? There's no data on it in terms of volume, market. Yeah. Okay. Interesting. Akori market's on Pancake Swap. Okay. I got an Akori at 1.954. Tokenomics has me at 1.958 now. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. Ethereum founder. Yeah, I also appreciate that. Yeah, dude. I hear you, Steve. That's kind of where I'm at with it, man. You know what I mean? I'm not trying to do all that and like, be something we're not. Like we're here to just learn from each other and talk about crypto and check out all the news that's going on. I'm learning each and every day, right? I know a little bit, but I don't know everything. Some people have some information. Look, Vitalik Buterin on his latest donation, right? So this is great. Let's take a look at this. Appreciate it, Easy. Appreciate it, Jay Will. Thank you, brother. Can you guys hear that? Probably not, huh? Might have to unplug. Yeah, you can hear that?
Vitalik, I think a question on a lot of people's minds these days is if you're a cat person or a dog person. Um, no, but it,
Let me know in chat if you guys can hear that. Just want to make sure.
in a more serious sense, I think the thing that happened recently with the really gracious donations that you made to the various causes that are both connected to Ethereum as a whole, but the idea of creating, a community out of cryptocurrency and supporting the growth of humanity, helping people in need, and all of those things is a really interesting like effect and event in the crypto space. And I think it would be great if you could maybe tell us a little bit about what informed your decision. Um,
Sure. So there's definitely this kind of like very fun background story that happened, in the few days before I gave all of those tokens out. Like basically, Dogecoin had existed for a long time, and just like Dogecoin by itself is just so interesting because it started off as a complete joke, but then over time the joke just turned into this coin and it had value, and it's just so fascinating that um, you just can create a form of currency that's just around the idea of like, hey, like this is a cute dog and let's like make something fun out of it. And I actually bought some Dogecoin back when it was still fairly new. But then recently, of course, Doge just like increased in value a huge amount, and like I'm not sure like I think it's a combination of things. Like enough people got interested, and then at some point Elon Musk started talking about it, and it's like a $55 billion coin, which is just like crazy. But then people started creating these other dog coins, and for some reason, people started like putting a huge part of the supply of these dog coins into my wallet. So people started telling me about this, and I thought, this was very strange. It's actually not the first time that people put coins into my wallet. Sometime about 6 months ago, there was this project called Teller. I think it was like a Chainlink competitor or something like that, and they just like put about $50,000 worth of their coin into my wallet, and that they had, their Marines on Twitter say like, "Hey, look, Vitalik holds our coins. He supports our project." And then when I found out about this, I just like sold it on Uniswap, and then I gave it to some crypto project. But no, the dog people were actually more clever, and they sent their half of the supply to my cold wallet, right? And it's a cold wallet, and so because especially just because of the travel restrictions, it's like actually non-trivial for me to access it, right? Like because it's it contains like a huge bunch of ETH that needs to be secure and all of those things. And so at some point when I just saw it, these dog coins had a huge amount of value, and I like there clearly was an opportunity to just like actually turn this into something that could actually be good for people, right? Like I think it's important for us in the crypto space to not like just even like take active steps to make sure that crypto isn't just about watching numbers go up and hoping your number goes up faster than the other team's number goes up, but actually kind of turn it into something that really benefits people. And with these dog coins as well, right? Like if I did nothing, then that bubble would pop. But then at some point there would be other dog coins, and maybe cat coins, maybe three-headed rabbit coins. I don't know what people would come up with. But I just like realized that there's this opportunity to do something really valuable with these coins, and so I started like basically scrambling to set up a new secure multi-sig wallet for my funds, and that itself was a story. It took a fairly long time. At one point, I actually even got banned from the Gnosis Safe Discord because they thought I was a scammer. But the then I like after about 48 hours, I did like I and after just like working nonstop to set up this wallet and like triple check it, audit the code, make sure you can actually do withdrawals. I then called up the some family members did a whole bunch of incredibly crazy cypherpunk stuff, asked them to like read out some magic numbers to me, and the and then I got this private key out, and like I actually did manage to like move my well first of all move my ETH to another address, and then I had this account that had all these dog coins, and I figured like, okay, well, there's all of these valuable causes. Let's like sell some of the dog coins immediately just to make sure that some value gets can come out of it, and I gave it out to some of these charities that I supported for a really long time. So like I've always really believed in there's all of these effective altruist causes. Like there's these groups of smart people that just work really hard to find the like what really to help bad for you in the past before. But so that was my first big, and also these other and like more speculative things like life extension research, the of the MIRI, the AI safety group, and then of course the crypto COVID efforts. Just because like the COVID situation in India is one of those cases where there's just a lot of really bad stuff happening like right now, and so there's a lot of need to just like very quickly um, support the people that are like basically trying to um, make sure that people there die of COVID less. And like Sandeep and his team have done a so far great job of just kind of putting their effort together and actually making a big difference there. Like they even managed to like I think get some oxygen from Kuwait or something, like some kind of fairly impressive international effort that they mentioned on the Twitter about a week and a half ago. So and that's what happened. Like I will admit that everything did happen fairly quickly, so this is not the sort of thing that I even had time to kind of like put weeks into. But it is what it is. I will say that I actually am impressed by like how the dog coin communities have handled it. I like there was some time that I was worried that um, if these people are just gamblers, then they would end up like just being very unhappy. Like, hey, what the hell? I'm just here to make money. Why are you suddenly attaching my coin to effective altruism or India or whatever? But I was actually impressed. Like I think like there was a bit of that, but there was even more just people that were like even grateful that they saw that now they're part of this like big charity effort to help people. So I thought that was interesting, and I think we are going to have meme coins, and if those meme coins can be about these kind of nice, warm, uplifting memes about helping people, then like that's amazing.
Yeah, I agree. Like the way that the narrative was kind of usurped from being a profit-chasing meme coin, and then like you say, some of these dog coins turned around and embraced the altruistic aspect of it, is really like a positive thing. Um, so yeah, apart from maybe some weird DMs you're getting from people, it's probably a net positive.
I think so.
Yeah. Probably one of like the biggest questions on people's minds is when merge, but I'm guessing Tim's going to be able to give us some details on that a bit later when he talks about the roadmap. But I think I also kind of wanted to pick your brain and also Tim's on a more general sense and maybe more medium term. What do you think are the biggest challenges that Ethereum faces in the future? Not necessarily like getting all the technical ducks in a row to make the merge happen.
Okay, guys. So interesting stuff there. Didn't really say anything directly toward SHIB and the SHIB community, but he did say that he was impressed. So I think that's. Oops, I canceled out of everything. That's okay. We'll fire this back up. I thought that was pretty interesting, though, that he did say that he was impressed by the community. He said the dog community, right? But really, what's he talking about there? He's talking about Shiba Inu, right? That's the main dog, right? That's the dog that's in the top 30 market cap. So thank you for sharing that. That's what this community is all about. If you have some insight like that, we will definitely share that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the price. Okay, so we're getting some new viewers in here. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the stream. Make sure you smash that like button. We're here to talk about Shiba Inu and everything crypto, so welcome, welcome. We're building a nice community out here, staying positive about everything. And let's see, SHIB now dropping a little bit down to the 29th spot, but still in the top 30, hitting that support level at 1.5. So interesting. Okay, Besteem, why Shiba isn't going up after Buterin burned them? Yeah, I would have thought he would have went up too, Basim. It'll be interesting to watch. I think Shiba Swap will be a nice catalyst for us. I think we should see some other news too pop up related to the NFT, the art space. So I think there's a few different things that we're still waiting on. But yeah, I agree with you. I thought we would see some pump upwards. But guess what? I'm still holding. I'm going to hold strong here. I still believe in this. It's still a top 30 coin. Again, I'm going, you know, I'm going on the long with Shiba Inu. I'm all in on it. I believe in it. I think there is space for another meme coin, and I think right now, if you're looking at one other than Dogecoin, it's got to be Shiba Inu, right? It's a top 30 coin still. I know it's sold off a lot, but still, we're running down here. We're hitting our support, guys. We should see some retracement here back up. Hopefully, we get back up on this 1.6 line here pretty soon. So, looks like we want to trend back up here. See, we got one just popping right back up. So that should be good for the short term here. But yeah, still waiting on Shiba Swap. I'm going to go ahead and pull up some Google Trends. We haven't looked at that yet. We'll take a look at some of the Google Trends. I'm going to put in quite a few coins because there's so many things going on right now in the crypto space with Bitcoin selling off. Ethereum has come back, which I thought it would. But look at Bitcoin right now. This is fascinating. Down at 42.5. I'm going to tell you guys, I did buy more Bitcoin. Not a lot, but I did buy some when it dipped way down below. I think it was 423. I added a little bit onto my position. I initially had one full Bitcoin is what I had. So I have one and a little bit more. So I did buy back in. It didn't really, impact my average price a lot. I happened to get into Bitcoin pretty early, somewhat early. But I did like, the chart in terms of, when it dipped down to 4.2, I thought we'd see some, bounce off of that. And we did. We got back up into the 4.3s. Now, here's something to watch with Bitcoin, guys. If it goes below 40, if Bitcoin drops below 40, we could be looking at a tumble all the way down to 30,000. So that's going to be something really to watch, okay? Bitcoin needs to hold this right here. This is a really important price for Bitcoin right here. If this starts dipping below 442, I'm going to get pretty nervous if I'm a long-term Bitcoin holder. Sorry, guys, I need some water in me. Bear with me for 1 sec. Okay, so yeah, that's definitely something to watch with Bitcoin. If this thing dips below 42 and gets down to 40, man, we could be seeing a retracement all the way back down to 30 grand on Bitcoin. So that'll really be something to watch. We'll see if that happens. I don't think it will. That's why I bought the dip on Bitcoin. That's why I bought back in, and I think we're going to have some bounce back here. I know it's getting a lot of negative press right now because of the Elon news coming out, so it'll be something to watch. Austin, hello again. Welcome back to the stream, brother. Hugo, do we buy the dip that is happening right now? Hugo, I'm guessing you're talking about on SHIB. It's a good time to buy the dip because we are right at our support line. So, I can't tell you what to do. This isn't financial advice, just entertainment purposes only, but very rarely do we dip below this 1.523 level, okay? In fact, I think it's only dipped down there. It dipped way down in the 7-day, right down to 12. But other than that, usually we retrace and we head back, we bounce off this number here and we go back up from here. So this would be a decent time to buy if you're thinking to adding on to your position, because usually we go back up from the 1.5 levels, okay? At least that, we could say that that's happened, pretty recently here in the last couple weeks, okay? Acid Lori, I don't think you should make fun of the other religion because they have their own beliefs. You must treat them all equally. Yes, I agree. I'm not sure who said that or anything, but yes, I agree with you there. VC, when Shiba Swamp happens, what do you think the price will hit? I think it should be a catalyst, VC. We'll see. I mean, still waiting on the news when it'll be rolled out. We'll take a look at the Twitter page real quick. We haven't heard much from the SHIB original page. In fact, it's almost been a full day now that we haven't heard anything. So we'll go ahead and see if we can make sure that nothing has been sent out from the official page. All right, welcome everybody. Welcome into the stream. If you're new here, make sure you smash that like button. Help us out with that algorithm. Push this out to more people so we can grow out our community a little bit. That'd be great. We're building a nice community here. People all talking about SHIB. We're talking about other cryptocurrencies that we like. So welcome in. Welcome in. Yeah, still no tweet, guys. It's been 23 hours since the last one. So interesting. We're still waiting on something here. Just anything would be nice, right? So supposedly last night there was a tweet sent out. All it said was 1. All it was the number 1, and then it was quickly deleted. We had a couple people in chat that put that out there last night, but you know, nothing other than that. We just listened to Vitalik on stream talk about the dog coins and talked about Doge a little bit. You know, had some nice things to say about Shiba Inu, just about the community, and you know, he thought he would get a lot of pushback on, you know, what he did in terms of sending, you know, the tokens to India for the crypto relief fund. There was a Sandeep Nawal name drop on there, but he did talk pretty highly of the community, so that's pretty cool. Let's take a look at Shiba here. And we'll also take a look at Shiba Inu and just kind of see, oops, that's Shiba. We'll take a look and see if there's anything in the trends that would tell us, you know, what's going on here. Shiba Inu, there we go. All right, let's take a look here and take it into the past 4 hours. Let's do that. Okay, so we got just the US right now. Okay, so a little bit of an increase here in terms of Google trends, so that's interesting in the past 4 hours. Okay, let's take this out and go worldwide. Okay, yeah, still running pretty flat, so we're still getting an interest, guys. Just to compare this to Dogecoin, which usually gets a lot of hits. Just to warn you here, Dogecoin's probably going to get a lot of action. Yeah, there you go. There's Dogecoin in the yellow. Okay. Now we'll put in there SafeMoon. Put in SafeMoon. Oops, if I can spell right. SafeMoon. Let's do that just to kind of see in the green here. Okay, so interesting. So SafeMoon and Shiba Inu getting similar results right now. Okay, at least in the past 4 hours worldwide, getting similar results. Shiba though, Shiba is getting more than Shiba Inu and SafeMoon. Pretty interesting. Okay, let's see what's going on in chat. Austin, what's up, man? YouTube in lower heaven. I wish I would have got in on a bit more Polygon last week. Yeah, how about Polygon, right? Man, Polygon's looking great. So let's take a look. Look at this. Look at the 24-hour movement. There it is. Top coin in the movement, right? Look at the 7-day. Look at that. 115%, 30% today in the 24-hour. I got in here 88 cents. I'm with you. I wish I would have loaded the boat a little bit more. I got a decent amount at 88 cents, but yeah, would have been happy if I would have got a little bit more, that's for sure. Still one to watch. I mean, this thing has come out of, you know, it was sitting at the 34th spot a little over a week ago in market cap. Now it's number 16, guys. So just crazy movement on Polygon. Basim, see it on Twitter. Okay, yeah, we can check. There's really nothing from their main page. We'll open up a regular or another Twitter just to see. Whoops. Excuse me, guys. Man, if I could type tonight, huh? That would help. Okay, so let's see if we can find anything else just in terms of news here, right? Let's do SHIB just to kind of see. Let's go latest. Jose Luna, am late. No, I don't think so, man. VC, no problem, brother. Welcome to the stream, man. Yeah, this guy's putting out there. Price is good. Shiba Army. It is a good time to get it at the 1.5 level for sure. Yeah, nothing really, guys. Not too much, but that's okay. I think we're going to get some good catalysts here soon. I really do. I'm just waiting. You know, it would be nice to hear something from the official Twitter account here. That would be really nice. We can get some kind of official word. It's been almost 1 day. It's been 23 hours, right? So it's been a little while. So hopefully we get something out there soon. So we're taking a look at some of the Google trends. We'll keep that up right now. We'll go back here to market cap. Go back over to the top ones. That's the top 100 going back the other way. Miguel, Dogecoin holder. Also, I'm spread out in shotgun formation. Nice. How much Doge you got, Miguel? Got a lot of Shiba Inu there. Yeah, nice. 10,100,000. Nice, brother. You think the price of Ethereum is reflected in Shiba? Gerardo, I think Ethereum and Bitcoin are seeing this, 20% in the 7-day, 25% in the 7-day. A lot of this is because they're not environmentally friendly. They're not proof of stake, right? Which, Elon, I think, escalated the situation a bit too with the tweet. So, that's why things like Cardano in the 7-day are up. That's why Polygon is killing it, right? Those are proof of stake. Look at Chainlink today, guys. Up 10%, back up over 40. Here's a link to get Shiba on Robinhood. Really? Interesting. All right, we'll pull that over here. Let's see. Okay, interesting. Thanks, Mofo. Appreciate that, man. Kindly request of Robinhood to list Shiba Inu. Wow. Interesting. All right, guys. There you go. You got to go over and sign this up, guys. See the link? That Mofo just dropped in there. This is the petition to get Shiba Inu on Robinhood. Okay? So we definitely got to do this. I'm going to use this email here. And boom. Did I sign it? Nice. There we go. Your friend Anthony took this next step to reach the signature. There we go, guys. All right. So there you go. You got to chip in. Oh, you can even chip in some money, actually. Interesting. Get supporters beyond your circle, beyond the 50, 60 people chipping in or sharing. Interesting. Okay. I may chip in at some point, but we definitely got to sign this petition, guys. We definitely have to sign this petition. So here it is, guys. I'm going to do share this petition. I'm going to share this out. I'm going to copy link. Or actually, I'll tweet this out. Mofo, appreciate it, man. Thanks for this. There you go, guys. Go ahead and like and retweet that. Get that out there. Robinhood. Convince Robinhood they will prosper if they list Shiba Inu. There you go. Get that out to a lot of people. Okay, like this. Retweet it. Go ahead and post it on yours originally, too. Let's get this out there. Great stuff. Great stuff. Awesome. Kindly request of Robinhood. So this petition is designed to kindly request Robinhood to please list Shiba Inu coin to trade. Dogecoin has been a huge success for Robinhood and its investors. We all enjoyed the Shiba ride. Shiba Inu is a similar meme coin with genuine potential. up 2,000% in the last weeks. Gaining new ground by the day, Shiba has been listed on Binance, and its momentum grows by the hour. Half the questions we log into trading forums ask how I can buy Shiba. Let's encourage Robinhood to be the first traditional brokerage to get on this train. Thank you. Very interesting. Okay. Very cool. Yeah, this would be great for retail investors. No question, mofo. No question, man. Got impatient with BAT, turn it into SHIB on the cheap. Nice, brother. Tahad Waller will do. Nice. Does anyone else have the V-chain and losing like I am? I have the V-chain, Miguel. I have the V-chain. I got in V-chain around 11 cents. So I think I'm up right now still, but I'm still waiting for that thing to go parabolic, my friend. I'm still waiting for that thing to go crazy. All right, guys, appreciate that. Let's push that out there. Awesome, awesome. Thanks for the follow, Casey. Appreciate it, man. Thanks for the follow, guys. So yeah, guys, if you will, share this tweet. If you want to, retweet this, like this, but also you can go over here, sign the petition, and then also share it on to your followers too. Okay. Interesting. All right, why are we sharing? What are the reasons for sharing? What are we going to say? SHIB to the moon. There is room for another Doge. Our community is strong, and Robinhood would only make it stronger. How about that? There we go. There we go. Put that out there. All right. Nice. Mofo, that's awesome, man. Appreciate you sharing that with me. That's awesome. Go ahead and push that out to all your followers, guys. And then here is what we need to do, okay? We got to get this out to everybody. Oops. Okay, here we go. Kindly request Robinhood to list Shiba Inu coin. There it is, right there. Boom. Nice. Very nice. That would be awesome. So how many people have we got? Thanks to your support, this petition has a chance at winning. We only need 932 more signatures. Guys, we only need 932 more to reach the next goal. Okay? 9,068 have signed. Let's get to 10,000. That would be awesome. Make sure you guys like this stream too. Subscribe to the channel. If you guys are new here, appreciate you stopping by. If you're a supporter already, thanks for coming back. Go ahead and smash that like button if you're a fan of SHIB and you want SHIB on Robinhood. Ruby, any news on Bone? Nothing yet, man. I think that'll come out with the Shiba swap news, which we're still waiting on that too, brother. Sebastian Crypto holding 72 million SHIB. Nice. Yeah, drop in chat how much SHIB you guys are holding now. I'd like to get an update. I'd like to see if numbers are increasing. Just got more SHIB. Not saying I'm all in, but nice, Sebastian. Nice. I have the most faith in SafeMoon, but I do have a good bag of Shiba. Nice, Las Vegas. Appreciate that. Appreciate that comment and your honesty there. That's awesome, though. And I remember you from being on the stream, so welcome back. Nick Nevins holding 10 Shiba. Almost sold a little while ago, but I'm holding strong. Nice, Nick. Awesome, brother. Gerardo, do you think the price of Ethereum is reflected in Shiba? Not necessarily. I think it's I think what's driving down those two are more or less what Elon put out, right? And then just that they're not proof of stake coins. They're not proof of stake, so I think you're going to see a lot of the big coins that aren't proof of stake. They're going to hurt. They're going to be struggling for a little while. I think the mainstream news is going to start talking about what's environmentally friendly to the crypto space, and however, I do think that increases our chances of seeing more press for a Cardano, perhaps a Dogecoin, which could be less environmentally harmful. I think we'll also see more people talk about Polygon, right? So I do think that's coming down the line because these are already proof of stake coins, already better on the environment, okay? All right, 932 more. Let's refresh that. Let's see how much more we've got. Let's just let's make sure. 918 more signatures. So make sure you guys go sign this, guys. Mofo, drop that link in chat. All right, what else we got? Christopher's got 20 million SHIB. Nice. Todd got 17 million. Nice, brother. Ruby, 5 million. Nice. 2 mil. Jose got 15 mil. 20 mil here still. Nice. I'm with you, mofo. Eric, I think those numbers are low on purpose. It's past 10K. I noticed that when I signed a petition last year. They keep it low for the goal as I watched it. Yeah, probably, brother. Probably. That's okay. That's okay. Yamamoto, 3 million. Nice. Joey, SHIB to 1 cent. We all million. Yeah, I hear you, brother. I hear you. Eric Chavez, Joey Gamers, nice. Zach, I sent you a message picture on Twitter about Robinhood. Replied to someone I wanted you to watch it. All right, Basim, I'll check that out, brother. Thank you. Let's check that out. Yeah, if you guys have anything like that, Basim, did you say you sent me a private message? Let's see here. Don't have any message there. Just want to make sure I'm not missing it here. Sheep 10, let's go. Nice. Where's it at? I'm looking for it. Travis, signed for Robinhood. Nice. Awesome. Kindly request of Robinhood to list Shiba Inu coin, guys. Okay, check this out. You'll find it in chat. Mofo listed. Here's the link again. Yeah, perfect. I was going to ask you to do that, Mofo. You're already on top of it, man. That's awesome. Gilberto, 50 million. Nice, man. El Connie, 8 milli. 8 milli. Nice. Still nothing from the official SHIB page, right? Nothing yet. Interesting. So that's it's kind of shocking. They haven't tweeted anything since this contest. But you know, we'll wait and see. We'll wait and see, right? All right, let's see where we're at. Let's just refresh this for the fun of it. Let's see here. Okay, 0 sign. Let's get to 10,000. Okay, they got it started again. Looks like 918 more. There you go. Ryoshi posted an update on Shiba Swap today on his Twitter. Okay, let's check that out. Ryoshi. All right, let's check that out. Ryoshi, let's see. All hail the Shiba. Nice. Was it in tweets and replies? Let's see. Phase 1 complete. Shiba becomes more centralized. I don't see anything, Ruby. I don't see anything, man. This is definitely his page, right? Ryoshi Research. Is this not his actual page? Am I missing it? Nope, that's not it. Shaitoshi did. Oh, sorry, it's 18 hours old. Shaitoshi, sorry. Okay, gotcha. Shaitoshi. Shaitoshi. Is this okay? Gotcha. Shiba swap beta scam. Is leash token. Leash Shiba Army Moon Mission Leash SHIB sister token. Oh, here's an update on the swap. Gotcha. Okay, guys, here you go. Day 1 of testing with a small group of OG testers like Shiba Token. They pointed out UX improvements, and the team spent the night making the improvements. Are pushing a new repo for the second larger set of testers from across the world. Okay, interesting. Can you clarify the sequencing? Does this mean the audit has concluded? Okay, nothing after that, huh? Wait a minute, there might have been. Here's another problem. A lot of people cannot be trusted with this much power. They begin to drift to other tokens, pushing their own agendas or programs to line their pockets. This is another challenge of a truly decentralized community, so whoever talks shit. Okay, let's me set the record straight. Confidence is not given by constant BS updates. I've been tokens we left and dusted. Okay, fact of the matter is if we don't say it as a scam, you can be confident in that. Okay, cool. Okay, interesting. I will put this out there. Potential update on Shiba and Shiba swap. Cool. Thank you. Thanks for that. All right, Justin, welcome, man. Justin, welcome. Appreciate you coming in, man. Future money. Don't play crypto if you don't have the guts. That is for sure. This stuff fluctuates. That's for sure. Hugo, if I can ask, what do you do for a living? Hugo, I do quite a few things actually. I'm a professor, believe it or not. I am a business owner, e-commerce business owner, and a new YouTuber. So yeah, just getting my start. Guys, I've been on YouTube for, well, a few months, but I started to transition over to crypto. I've always been passionate about crypto, for the last few years. Just haven't created content on it, but started to think about it, a lot more. And I thought, well, why not, right? Because this space is really growing. So I actually first heard of Bitcoin back in 2017. I wish I would have invested more back then, but just didn't know enough about it. I don't think a lot of people did. Eric, buy Shiba, it's 1450. Oh, really? It dipped down? Let's take a look at that. Did it dip down? Shiba, okay, it's still in the 29th spot. Okay, on my end here on CoinMarketCap, it didn't say it's 1450. Maybe I just missed it. Oh yeah, you're right. Okay, guys, we did break support here. We did break the 15 line, so good opportunity to buy the dip. Usually it doesn't stay here very long. Good time to buy the dip, guys. Not financial advice, just my personal opinion. Good time to buy the dip. Let's take a look at the 1 day here. Yeah, dipping fast. Interesting. Okay, we're heading down to the 144. Okay, guys, usually it doesn't stay down here very long, so we'll have to see if this bounces back up. Interesting. Okay, appreciate that update too. We'll watch this closely here. Let's go ahead and reload this. 1483 still, yeah. Okay, BTC's dragging the market down right now. Yeah, that's true, Mofo. That is true. Really, the whole crypto market's down a little bit after what Elon put out there regarding how things just aren't very environmentally friendly when it comes to the big names like Ethereum and Bitcoin. I think Ethereum 2.0 is going to fix a lot of those issues, though. Bitcoin, I still think it has a space. I think it's going to be more of a stored value. It's going to be like a digital gold, type thing. But in terms of usability, I think Ethereum is certainly the future. And then, a lot of the other tokens / coins that run on the Ethereum platform, right? So take a look at the 7 day. Yeah, we had this one dip back here, guys. This is the last time it dipped below that 1.5 level, right? This was a couple days ago in the afternoon of May 16th on Sunday. We got way down to 1.2. Then it shot back up, right? So usually when we get these, little downturns, it shoots back up. See here, we didn't even get to our 1.5 level. Here we got to our 1.5, came back up, right? Came back up. Here we got to our 1.5, came back up. Here we got way down, came storming way back up, right? All the way up to 1.8. So right now this is an interesting spot to be in because we're breaking that 1.5 level. Usually we'll see a big retracement upwards here. So hopefully we get that down to 1461. It's continuing to go down a little bit. Yeah, SHIB guy, definitely time to buy here. Yeah, if you believe in it here, this is definitely a time to buy. We're breaking our support at 1.5 right now. Okay, a lot of new people stepping in. Make sure you smash the like button. We've got some interesting stuff for you. You can thank the moderator, Mofo, for this. Check this out. There's a petition for Robinhood going on right now, so you can kindly request Robinhood to list Shiba Inu coin. I've already signed the petition. Mofo, if you would drop that link in chat again, that'd be awesome, man. So make sure everybody signs this. Let's go ahead and refresh this just to see where we're at. 831 more signatures to reach the next goal, guys. So I sent out a tweet on this. Make sure you can, if you want to, you can, like this tweet. You can retweet it. So if you see here, I put out a tweet on this. Robinhood, convince Robinhood they will prosper if they list Shiba Inu coin. Sign the petition. Here it is right here. Okay, so if you want to go right to my Twitter, you can find the link here, but it's also right here. Mofo's been putting it in chat too. So Mofo Worthy's been putting it in chat. There it is. AD Sky, you signed. Drop in chat if you signed the petition. Drop in chat, say signed if you signed it. Put in signed if you signed it. When Cardano launches their ERC20 converter, you think Shiba Inu will move over from Ethereum to? Lisa, that'll be interesting. Yeah, that, you know, I can't rule it out. I think, you know, Cardano. I think Cardano is going to get a lot of positive press, you know, for a while here, and I think for good reason. They're already the 4th highest market cap. You know, obviously they've got the proof of stake network, so you know if Shiba sees an opportunity there to you know, hitch their wagon to Cardano, something that's, you know, hot in the news right now and kind of more geared toward the future, you know, I think it could happen. I think it could happen. For Ross, some crypto for nightclub and something like that. Welcome back to the stream, brother. Metza, is there any hope for Shiba? Yeah, man, there's still hope. Always hope, brother. Yeah, we're below our support line right now, 14.5, so we're continuing down, guys, but usually we bounce right back off this, and when we bounce back in a big way. So, okay, 14.6, we could be heading back in the positive direction here. Let's see. Let's see here. 14.5, 14.6. So, all right, we'll watch it. We'll watch it. Nothing out of the SHIB tokens original Twitter account though. Nothing yet. Let's see here. Thanks to everybody who's sending this message out. Let's get everybody we can in the community to sign this. So here you guys go. Shiba still, you know, getting some good Google trend lines here. Shiba Inu along with SafeMoon kind of running together here. Look at Doge way up here in the yellow. So Doge still getting a lot of traction. Look at Doge here recently, right? Let's refresh this real quick. Let's check this out here real quick. Reload this. Little reload. Oops, something went wrong. Let's try it again. Let's see here. Okay, there you go. Wow, guys, look at Doge. Look at Doge here recently. 914, a big pop in Doge. What's the price of Doge right now? Is Doge running right now? Is Doge running right now? Let's see. It could be. Look at this. Look at Doge. Look at the line here on Doge. Interesting. Is Doge running? No, it's really not. A lot of people are interested, though. A lot of people reading up on it. Okay. We'll see. Usually, usually you'll see some positive movement after you see this Google trend line. Just give it like a half hour, right? And you'll see the price go up. I found this to be pretty useful, guys. You can look at these Google trends and really learn a lot. So, all right, guys, go ahead and smash that like button. So we got to get to 50 likes. We got to get to 50 likes. That would be super helpful. A lot of people signed it. That's awesome. Thanks, guys. Yeah, dropping right now. Nice. Very cool. Very cool. Doge is going down price-wise. Interesting. Yeah, Lisa, it is. VC Shiba going down to 14.27. Okay, let's take a look at it. Let's take a look here. All right, 146. All right, where are we at? 1454 right now. Okay, all right. We should bounce off this, gal. Okay, we should bounce off this pretty soon. Let's go ahead and refresh here. Volume's really down right now. 44% actually. So this will be interesting to see what happens here. Hopefully we get a nice retracement bounce back off this. 146 right now. Doge is at 49 cents. Yeah, John, Mofo, everybody else talking about Doge. You know, it really depends on which brokerage you look at, which is, you know, kind of interesting. All brokerages kind of have different prices. I know that's crazy, but everybody kind of runs their fees a little bit differently. So, you know, if you're looking at it on Coinbase versus Robinhood versus, you know, wherever else, Webull, I know is another place you can get it. you'll see different prices at the same time, which is kind of interesting. So keep that in mind when you go to buy assets. It may be best to look in a few areas before you buy the asset, see where the lowest price is, depending on what the fees are for that coin on that brokerage. Just a tidbit of information there. Whole market is red, but Asia just awoke. Yeah, Justin. Yeah, that's a good point. So we'll see if that has an influence here and an impact. All right, guys. So not getting anything from SHIB. No news yet on Shiba Swap. We're waiting on that. We did watch a tweet earlier from Vitalik. So Vasim, nice. What'd you put out here, Vasim? I appreciate the kind of interest in SHIB. We don't have a timeline. Thanks for. Oh, this is interesting. Stay safe and have a good. Okay, we don't have a timeline or assurance that we will support Shiba Inu in the future, but we plan to support the ability to buy and sell other cryptocurrencies, and we'll be sure to let more. Okay, other than that, just let me know if there's anything else I can answer for you. I'm here to help. Stay safe. Interesting. Sincerely, Robinhood support. That's interesting. Okay. Yeah, 43.9 on Webull for Doge. Yeah, see? So it does fluctuate. Signed 80 million sheep strong. Let's get them, boys. Nice, Greg. Welcome to the stream, brother. Make sure you like and subscribe, man. Welcome. Matthew, Doge averaging 48 to 52 cents. Welcome in, brother. SHIB guys, SHIB free fall. Yeah, I know, man. That's what we're watching right now. Hopefully we can bounce back. Hopefully we can bounce back off this. Hayden, China banned cryptocurrency. So Hayden, that's kind of conflated. So they actually pretty much just like held their stance that they've had in 2013 and 2017. So they didn't really ban crypto. They just held their original stance. And there's a few articles out there you can read about. I actually pulled one up in the latest video that I put out. The article I was reading from, the second article regarding Bitcoin, actually came from a Yahoo Finance article talking about what happened today in regards to China. And they didn't really ban it. They just kept their stance that they had from 2013 to 2017. So it's a little bit different. Just go ahead and look at that, and you can kind of see what I mean. Go ahead and check that article from Yahoo Finance out. The fungies, what do you think of Kishu Inu? It's growing. I know a lot of people are talking about it, but I still am a big fan of Shiba because it's top 30 coin. It's got the storyline. It's got Vitalik linked to it. Guys, early on in the stream, we watched a 9 to 10 minute video of Vitalik, which was super interesting, and it was talking about the dog community, which I thought was pretty cool. He was talking about the dog community, and really he was talking about SHIB, right? And he was saying that he was surprised that not a lot of people were that upset, when he decided to send all the crypto to India. So he didn't say anything directly about Shiba Inu, but he did talk about Sandeep Nawal, who is the co-founder of Polygon, who, of course, headed up the crypto relief fund in India. So there's some connections there. So he definitely knows about Shiba Inu quite a bit and knows the community in regards to how everybody held strong. So Shiba's going down. Shiba at 13. Okay, all right, let's check it out. Let's see here. All right, on my end, we're not getting. Okay, I got 14.5 on my end here, guys. So again, it does depend on where you're looking. I've got 14.5 on CoinMarketCap. Why is SHIB going down after the big news? Yeah, I know. We're thinking the same thing, the crypto thing. We're thinking the same thing, man. Hopefully we get a nice retracement. Usually we get down to that 1.5 line and we bounce back. So we're waiting for that bounce back right now. Guys, just to keep it a reminder, though, we did bounce way down into here, right? Not too long ago. A couple days ago. Around 5 p.m. on the 16th, we got all the way down to the 12s here. See what happened? We got back down here in the 12s. We bounced all the way back up to 18. Okay, so this has happened a couple days ago. This big bounce. So we're not even remotely close to this dip here. Okay. So yeah, bouncing back a little bit. Okay, good stuff. All right, what else we got in chat? Justin, currently they're testing the digital yuan in 2 cities, Shenzhen, and yes, they aren't banning anything. Exactly, Justin. Exactly. Kevin, having the hardest time trying to buy, frustrated. Where are you trying to buy, Kevin? And what are you trying to buy? Alan, Bitcoin reaching 40,000. I'll tell you what, Alan, if it does reach 40,000, it could be tumbling all the way to 30,000. So if it breaks this 42 mark, if it starts falling below 42, Bitcoin could be in trouble. Really, because then the next line of support is way down in the 30s, guys. So if Bitcoin breaks down into like, down to 40K, man, it could get ugly. It could get really ugly for Bitcoin. I don't think it will. My personal belief is I don't think it will. So a lot of people I know bought the dip when it dipped below down to the 42's low. So here, let's take a look at this chart real quick. I'll show you what I mean. Oh, wow. Okay, this just refreshed. Okay, Bitcoin is free falling. Wow, everything's falling. Okay, this is why probably SHIB's falling, guys. Everything's falling. Okay, so if Bitcoin's falling like this, the whole market's probably falling, right? Ethereum down to 32. Cardano, guys, down to 188. This is interesting. A lot of things falling. Doge down to 44. Man, what's going on here? Everything's dipping. Chainlink's still above 40, still up on the day, 40, up 44%. Look at Polygon though, guys. Still, it's dipping, but still holding strong. Still up 21% today. But okay, Bitcoin retracing back to 41. Man, this is interesting, guys. Bitcoin's right on the edge from free falling here. I mean, this thing could free fall. Let's take a look at this though. Let's go overview. All right, so if we take a look at the 1 day here, guys, take a look at the 1 day. Wow. Bitcoin was sitting at 43.2, and it's just been free falling ever since. Now, it did get down into the 42s here, 42.8, 42.7, right? But it held this line. It held its 42. This is dangerous, guys. This thing could be heading down to 30 just because it broke this support right here. So look at this. Pull this back out. Look at this. 1 month. Look at that. It's been getting support here at 47. Look at this in the 1 month here. From May 12th, it's just been free falling. Actually here, just, yeah, take May 12th. Take May 12th here. Late in the night, May 12th. This thing has just been free falling. Take a look at the 3 month on Bitcoin. Down. This is fascinating. I mean, we're seeing a big shift here. Look at this. Wow. Interesting, guys. I mean, you got to go, way back to February where it was, this was when it was climbing. So this is what I mean. This thing could fall back down to where it was in January here, guys. Doesn't have a lot of support here. Look. I mean, this thing could fall all the way down to 30. That's what I was telling you. Look at this. This thing can come all the way down to 30. There's a chance. I mean, this is big. This is huge news, guys. This is huge news for crypto in general, right? Because when Bitcoin falls this much, this is big for the whole space. So let's go ahead and look at all the different prices here. Binance down 7%. Cardano down 8%. Guys, if you're a big believer in Cardano, I'd be watching this. I'd be watching this closely. Down at 188. Very interesting. Look at this. Already bouncing back, guys. So there you go. See, this was a time here, this free fall. Look at Cardano already retracing back upwards. So it looks like Cardano hit some support down here. Let's check out the 1 month. Yeah, Cardano hit some support here. Decent amount. It's already retracing back up. See, hit down to 185. It got down. Wow. Already heading back up though. So we'll see what happens with Cardano. All right, let's go back here. Make sure you guys smash that like button too. I know I'm talking a lot. I always forget to hit to say smash that like button, but it's important because it pushes it out to more people. We get to build out our community. But sorry, I'm like enthralled by this right now because this is big. Dogecoin down 10%. down to 44 cents. Man, oh man. Let's take a look at the 24-hour here. Polygon's still up the most, 20%. Let's go reverse, though. All right, so Internet Computer's down 20. Shiba's down about 12. Okay, so we're bouncing back up a little bit here. Where else we out? Doge down 10. Anything else? Any other big names here? Bitcoin down 9%. So it looks like it's bouncing back, guys. Bitcoin's bouncing back too, maybe, huh? Let's see here. Bitcoin could be on the bounce back here. Let's see. Yeah, starting to trend back up. So this is good because, man, if this would have broke 40,000, this thing could have went free falling. Okay. This is going to be something to watch, though. Definitely something to watch. All right, so let's go back here. Check out. I want to go back up and check out what's green again. I know Polkadot's been the high one on the day. Sushi Swap has been running up 15% in the 7-day, 17% today. Wow. Look at Solana making some noise here the last week. Okay, what else? Anything else? Thorchain. Okay. XRP up a little bit today at that 152. Okay. All right, so things could be bouncing back here. Let's see. Let's go back to the top market caps here. Ethereum down at 3.2. Cardano continuing to bounce back, guys. So it wasn't there for long. It was sitting at that 185 mark. So anybody get into Cardano when it dipped? Did anybody bounce in when it dipped? If you did, that was a good buy. Appreciate it, Rich. Thanks for smashing the like button, man. I'm on Discord, Revelation Hope. Nice, brother. Alan, I will buy more Cardano on paycheck Thursday morning. Nice, brother. Key Lion, hold boys and girls. Yes, definitely. We're not selling. We're not selling. Jorge chilling, holding strong. Yes, sir. Kevin Ridley trying to buy SHIB in the U.S. Kevin, I get mine on crypto.com. Crypto.com. Not sure if we even have access to Uniswap. That's the one they prefer. But I get mine on crypto.com right now for the first 30 days when you make an account. There's no fees. No fees for the first 30 days. Or at least until you cash out, right? And then the nice thing about crypto.com is you get verified within like 2 hours. So unlike other brokerages where it takes like 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, sometimes longer, crypto.com is really quick turnaround. So there you go. There's a tidbit for you. Mr. 26, someone will be replacing Bitcoin who will be probably Dogecoin or Shiba Inu. Yeah, probably. You know, a lot of people think Doge. I just created a video, Mr. 26, talking about Cardano and could they possibly replace Bitcoin somewhere down the line. You know, a lot of things are moving to proof of stake. You know, I think that's the future. I mean, that's what Elon was referring to in his tweet, right? Is the proof of stake over the proof of work algorithm, right? That's, you know, not very environmentally friendly. It's you know, it's pretty clunky, right? And it has like this winner take all method in terms of miners, right? So it's like it's just not good in terms of efficiency, right? But Cardano is #1 proof of stake coin already, so it's pretty nicely situated if everything does go in that direction, which, you know, a lot of people think it will. Lisa, good buying opportunity for ADA. I agree. I agree, Lisa. You know, since you said it, I agree. I mean, I got in Cardano at the 111, $1.11, $1.12 mark. So I'm going to be watching this closely. I mean, if this dips way back down again, I'll be looking to add on. But yeah, if you're not in Cardano right now, I think this is a great spot. I mean, take a look at the 7-day. This was a nice chart moving up, you know, a little bit down, a little sideways. But, you know, take a look at the 1 month. Yeah, this might be a really nice spot to add on. So this thing got up as high as, what, 240 at one point, I think, close to it. Yeah, 240. So, yeah, I agree with you. The 514 newbie to crypto bought 8.5 SHIB, I guess, right? Nice. Sebastian, damn, I hope ADA doesn't bounce too high. I want back in on the cheap. I hear you, brother. I hear you. V-shape on Shiba. Let's take a look at SHIB, Eric. We'll take a look at it. We'll go back over to it. Revelation. Gotta go hit the mine. Yeah, man. Damien, I just got 3 mil more of SHIB. Nice. Nice, brother. Redline's Polygon is what? Still up today? I bet you it is. Yeah, still at 226. So yeah, Matic's been hitting all-time highs. This was up the 7-day earlier today was up 120%. So a little bit down, but still up today. Look at this, still up 24%. Let's take a look at SHIB here. Where are we at? All right, still top 30, guys, even with this fallen 5.7 market cap. So, you know, I thought we might get here late last week and still, you know, hang on to the top 30, but it's taking a little bit longer. I knew we'd kind of sell off a little bit. Still waiting on that big Shiba swap news. That could be a catalyst. I think if they roll out some news related to the NFT space with it, I think that would be huge too. So, all right, let's take a look at the charts. Make sure you guys smash the like button. We got 300 people in here. That's cool. That's awesome. Thank you for everybody being in here. A lot of returners, so appreciate you guys. Any advice on how to buy SHIB? Crypto.com, Kevin. All right, so let's take a look at the 1 day here. Okay, guys, nice triangle here working, yeah, on SHIB. This is nice. Okay, so here we are. We're bouncing back off our 1419. So it went a little bit past our support, but we are bouncing back nicely. So this is good. Whale selling off. Yeah, probably VC. That's usually how it works, right? Just picked up 140 million SHIB. Nice. Nice, Rue. That's awesome. Appreciate all the intel, man. Keep it up. Thanks, Najma. Appreciate it, man. Thanks for being here, brother. Lori, I will sell my 500. 500 what? 500 what, Lori? Sell my... All right, well, hey, you do you. You do you. Troy, good work. Thanks, brother. Appreciate it. Thanks for being here. Alex, hold for life. Yeah, I hear you, man. Yeah, tell her hold for life. Or him. I don't know. I'm not sure if Lori is a guy or a girl, but got to hold. Beb, there's something wrong going on crypto. In crypto. Yeah, we're seeing the market. It's really volatile right now. Well, it's always volatile, right? But in crypto, but it's even more volatile than normal. So I think a lot of that is on the heels of what Elon said. You know, it's amazing how one person has that big of an effect, but he does. He definitely does. Mr. D holding 3 billion. Let's go. Nice. Let's go. Harry Jill 200 on 8 a dip. Nice, brother. Nice. I like it, Harry. Johan VC. Oh, I see. Mofo calling peeps names at Lee Watson gets you in timeout. Let's be cool. Yeah, man. Thanks, Mofo. Maxi just bought another 100 mil. Nice, brother. Edwin Fabian Hernandez 30 million of Shiba. Hold. Nice. Ramon, how to buy Safe Moon. I don't have any Safe Moon. I think you can get Safe Moon. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think you can get it on Binance, right? Where can you get Binance? Let our guy know where you can get Safe Moon. It's on sale. Load up, boys. Yep. I like it. Selling my 501. Okay. Dakota, I'm working on spreading this thing. Zach, you're doing your part. The rest of us can share and like. Yeah, man, for sure. Are you talking about this right here? In terms of Robinhood? All right, guys, so if you're new to the stream, make sure you smash the like button because we're dropping you some great nuggets here related to this petition. Mofo, our moderator in chat right now, dropped this to everybody, so this is awesome. They're requesting Robinhood to list Shiba Inu coin, so this is phenomenal, guys. Make sure you guys, find this link. You can find it on my Twitter page, also somewhere in chat. Mofo's dropped it in there a few different times, so if you can find this on my Twitter, you can go right there to the link. Obviously, if you want to retweet it, like it, spread it around, that's awesome too. Share it on your own social media too. I think this would be a great addition. I think it fits exactly, Robinhood's mantra. Don't you guys? I think so. I think it would be perfect on that platform, to be honest. You could buy it on Bitmart. Okay, I'm guessing you're relating to that's in relation to SafeMoon. So there you go, Bitmart. Algo. Elon Musk wants to use Dogecoin for purchasing Teslas, not Bitcoin, and that's what's really causing the big void right now. Someone has to take number one, and that's going to be Dogecoin Shiba number two. I hope so, Mr. 26. Yeah. Um, Doge, everybody laughed it off, but it's certainly pretty legit now, right? It's certainly pretty legit. So, all right, guys. Maxi, you could buy it on Bitbar. John, Algo. Hey, Keith Santos. I love in Las Vegas. Worth the gamble of 1,500, just like I did on XRP and Doge. Yeah, man. I don't know where you got in on XRP and Doge. Hopefully, you got in early on Doge. You're probably sitting great. But we just bounced off our support. We're heading back up, but it's still a pretty good time to get on board with SHIB right now. So let's go ahead and refresh this just to kind of see where we're at here. 1438. Okay, so let's see. Let's go to the 1 day. Uh-oh, guys. We had the upward triangle. We're heading back down here, so we got to watch this pretty closely. This is kind of interesting here. We'll watch it. But yeah, if you're first time getting in, this probably is not a bad time at all if you believe in this thing. So, okay. BitTrue, another place to get it. Sounds like another place to get, I guess, SafeMoon, right? Shiba swap and ETH 2.0 is going to blow Shiba up. Yeah, man. Pancake swap. Salon, I don't know anything about SAHU, Sehu. Don't know anything about it, man. Maybe somebody does in chat, but hey, welcome to the stream regardless, man. Radu, the volume that Shiba would get if Robinhood added would be great. Oh, I know, right, Radu? I mean, it would be phenomenal. Can you imagine? I mean, really, think about what Dogecoin was able to do on that platform. Oh my gosh, they only have 5 cryptocurrencies there too. If they marketed it, I mean, I think it would be huge. I think it would be so huge for SHIB. I really do. I think it would be great. Robinhood would be the perfect spot for it. Big dump of Bitcoin. Yeah, we'll have to go check that out. So let's refresh this real quick here. Volume. Doge is a spellcraft coin. Jay will expect a good hold time on SHIB. It's got a ways to go. When it becomes cheaper, it will buy. Yeah, exactly. Columbia holder Shiba. Nice, Edwin. Welcome to the stream, man. Welcome. Dr. Overkill through Shiba Discord. I do not have a Discord. Do not have a Discord yet. Might be thinking about adding one eventually, but right now I'm just worried about growing the channel. It's pretty early. I just started really doing this like last week, so right now I'm worried about growing the channel, building the community out. So that's my main focus right now. But eventually maybe the Discord. That'd be cool. Yeah. Harry Gill, is it possible ETH tokens to change over to ADA? I don't think so. I look at ADA as more of a competitor to ETH. But a lot of things are going to change when ETH 2.0 comes out that we really don't know how it's going to influence or impact the entire crypto space yet. You know what I mean? So as it's currently situated, they're more of like competitors right now. Because ADA is a proof of stake coin, but ETH 2.0 is kind of going to move to that model, right? So it's going to be interesting to watch how that all plays out. And when ETH 2.0 actually gets here, we don't really know if it'll be sometime next year or 2023. Quick thing on ETH 2.0 too. If you buy your Ethereum on Coinbase, you can stake your ETH and earn 6%. So that's something I've done over on Coinbase with my ETH. You could stake it, get on the waiting list over there. So that's just a tidbit. If you haven't bought ETH yet and you are thinking about it, you might want to look to Coinbase if you have access to that platform because really, really nice percentage there, 6% on staking. So, okay. Ibrahim, if you like your money, you wouldn't keep it on Robinhood, especially with the past and upcoming suits they're facing. Yeah, Najma, Yeah, they're going through a lot, you know, in terms of the lawsuits and things like that. But here's the thing, man. I mean, um, I agree with you. You know, there's some other maybe more trusted brokerages out there, but I don't think you should like freak people out. You know, and if they have money on there, they shouldn't like be too freaked out because here's the thing: a lawsuit takes like this kind of lawsuit's going to take years, man. Like this isn't going to be resolved like tomorrow or next month or even like next year. Like maybe late next year or something. But by that time, like, how much bigger is Robinhood going to be? They're probably going to be trading publicly on the, you know, they're going to be a publicly traded company. Like, honestly, I think it's more likely that this is like 2 years from now. This is like the whole GameStop and AMC stuff is like literally like a blip on their record, and like pretty much everybody will forget about it. In my opinion, I think it's more likely that scenario happens opposed to like the lawsuit going through and them like filing for bankruptcy and being kicked off or like something catastrophic happens. I don't think so. I don't see it. I mean, it certainly could, but the interesting thing about Robinhood is even when they were going through all that shit, they were still acquiring new customers at a rapid rate, like new people to their platform every single day. Like they were growing exponentially, which is kind of crazy, like while going through a controversy. So, looking at it from that standpoint, I think this will just kind of be like a blip, on their record when it's all said and done. Just in my opinion. We'll see, though. That was a long-winded response to that. I don't know. Just kind of got on my high horse there. The Fun Guys, I love the live feed, by the way. I'm a big fan of your work. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Thanks for being here. Mr. D, any thoughts on Shiba Inu? Yeah, a lot of people are asking about Shiba Inu. I don't have any. I don't have any. Guys, we need one more like for 100. Who's going to be the lucky number 100? That would be super cool. There we go. There it is. Jason, Shiba will hold. Yes. Dakota, let's get 120 likes on here in the next 5 minutes. I like it, Dakota. Next 5 minutes, 120 likes. Yes. That would be awesome. Alan, welcome, Kimberly. Yeah. Alan, I like it. TV go out. Oh, there it goes. Came back. I actually saw it go out too on my end for a minute. Okay, so VC, I think Robinhood isn't set up to handle the volume of users. Yeah, for sure. That's the issue, right? It's a great platform for entry-level investors. However, not only GME, AMC crash, they also had a crash during the Doge Elon SNL day. Yeah, they did. They did. They get like the brunt of everything. Webull had some issues too. Webull had some issues with their selling of Doge too, and I'm pretty sure a couple other brokerages had some issues too. So now, do they have more issues than Robinhood? Probably not, right? But I don't know. I just hear a lot that like get your money off Robinhood. It's going to go broke, or you're going to go broke, and things like that. It's like these lawsuits are going to play out over time. So pay attention to what the lawsuits are saying, but it's going to take a long, long time, and I don't think that's going to happen. I only say that because I know a lot of people who have Bitcoin, who got Bitcoin on Robinhood a long time ago, and it's kind of interesting when you acquire crypto on Robinhood, you don't really own it. Like Robinhood owns it. Like you're just keeping it there. Like you don't have access to your wallet necessarily, like you do on a Coinbase or like a Binance, right? You actually have full control of that. You really don't on Robinhood, but I wouldn't take it off there if you're planning on holding something like an asset long term, just because of the lawsuit. In my opinion, that's just my opinion. Other people might think differently about it, but okay. Ben, she prediction by the end of the year. I haven't given a prediction, man, but a quarter cent would be nice. First and foremost, let's just get back to all-time highs, right? Let's just get back to all-time highs. I think that's our first step. Get back to all-time highs. Paul Payne, welcome back, man. Welcome back. What are your thoughts in China banning the banks? So yeah, it's kind of conflated a little bit. China hasn't banned crypto. They haven't banned crypto. They just kind of reiterated their stance from 2013 and 2017. I actually talked about it in the last video I put out. So you can go, there's a Yahoo Finance article floating around that came out today. Read that article because it kind of situates like what's going on. Okay. Shaquille, hey, what's happening with Shiba? Yeah, it's going down a little bit right now, but here, let's refresh this. Zardy, stop selling. Yeah, stop selling. 1475. Okay, so we're going back up, it looks like, guys. A lot of fluctuation right now. Yeah, okay, a little U-shaped here, so we want to head back up here, so we'll see what happens here. We'll watch this, 1464, so. Okay. Thanks so much, guys. Up to 140 likes. That's awesome. Can we get to 150? Can we get 10 more likes in the next 5 minutes? Jappy Moon, Dakota Anderson, buy on the dip. 96 million coins, just bought the dip. Nice. Nice. Ruby, don't just hold. Buy more on the dips. Yeah, exactly. Mason, it will dip harshly at 0.001 or shortly after. Scare the whales out. Yeah. So how does SHIB go up? What can we do? Dakota, buy the dip, man. That's one thing we could do. But we can also do this. We can, you can go to my Twitter and check this tweet out. Robinhood, convince Robinhood they will prosper if they list the Shiba Inu coin. And you can go ahead and sign the petition yourself and then tweet it out to all of your followers. So you could definitely do this. You can also share it on other networks too, but I'm a Twitter fan, which I think a lot of you are too. I think Twitter and YouTube kind of just, I don't know, a lot of people on YouTube tend to be on Twitter too. Is that right? I think so. Okay. Let's go back here. I haven't looked at this in a while, guys. Past 4 hours, worldwide trends here, because Dogecoin was spiking here. Okay, Chinese are very smarter than yeah, Jason. The Johnsons, how soon till Shiba Swap? Was late to the party, sorry. Hey, the Johnsons, welcome back, man. Still no news on Shiba Swap. We are still waiting to hear. In fact, we're really waiting to hear anything from the official SHIB page right now. Look, they haven't tweeted anything since yesterday, so still waiting on that. What else we got? Red lines, you can't give her money to. Jaipoon, okay. Zach, you're going to need YouTube, Twitter, Discord, Telegram, Instagram, and Reddit. I have an Instagram, I have a YouTube now, got Twitter. A lot of people are saying Discord, so I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. So like, I'm definitely new to it. So Discord, do people on YouTube tend to like Discord over Patreon? Type in Discord or Patreon, whichever one you prefer, because eventually I'll do that. Right now I'm just focused on building the community out, building my brand a little bit, because I'm still really early to this. So I want to make sure I'm giving you guys my full attention here on YouTube first, and building out the community. But eventually, definitely I'll look to add a Discord, hopefully, and just add some more subscription-based content. We'll go a little bit deeper in what we like. Okay, all right, I'm here in Discord. Okay, I'm definitely taking notes. I will write that down, because that's good to know, because I want to learn from all of you what you guys want, rather than me have to Google it, and hopefully it fits with what you guys want, right? So that's cool. That's good to know. Okay, I'm actually grabbing a pen and writing that down as we speak. So BTC is at 40, really? Okay, so if it continues there, if it continues to dip there, I mean, we could be free falling there on Bitcoin. This could be ugly here. Okay, hold on. Where are we at here? Let's go look at Bitcoin real quick. So let's see. 1464. Let's see here. Man, we're heading back down again. Okay. All right. Let's go back over to Bitcoin. Let's see what's going on here. All right. Is the stream kind of paused out on me? Maybe it is, huh? Going to get some more Doge. People said something about Doge. Let's see here. Bitcoin's at 41. Okay. All right. Yeah, now it is at 40.8. Take a look at the actual chart here. Let's see here. Okay, 49. Man, look at this, guys. The free fall. All right, guys. I don't know if you guys can still hear me. Looks like my playback timed out on me here. We'll see if we can get this back. We'll see if we can get this back up and running here. Hopefully it comes back up and running here. 1T, we can rule them all. Yeah. Oh, I'm on? Okay. All right. On my end, it looks like it's off. So, okay. Appreciate it. Tanking. How's BTC tanking going to affect everything? Yeah, that's what we're taking a look at right now. This is pretty ugly, that's for sure. Refresh, you're back up. Okay. All right, good, good. Just wanted to make sure. Yeah, I didn't know if that was still working. Can we also make Coinbase SHIB? Yeah, that would be nice, right? Somebody else started a petition for Coinbase SHIB. That'd be nice. Yeah, so the 1 day, man, this thing's just, it looked like it was heading back up, guys, and then it just went right back down to 40. So, man, this is interesting, guys. This could be flirting with some disaster here for Bitcoin. Look at the selling volume here. Man. Okay. Really interesting. ETC, Ethereum Classic. Not a big fan, Edwin. Not a big fan of Ethereum Classic. I'd rather have ETH. Hope everyone's having a good night from Downingtown, PA. What's up, Rich? What's up, man? You're always in here now, Rich. Appreciate you, man. Thanks for coming back. All right, this thing's taking forever to load up. Let's go back here. In what field did you study or work in, Zach? Alan, I'm actually not a trained professional in finance, that's for sure. Also, just all self-taught. But I was a sports broadcaster for a long time. Still do sports broadcasting, so the communication side of things, I had that niche already to get onto YouTube. But did broadcasting, also teaching, and run an e-commerce business, and now on YouTube. For anyone looking for quick gains, Hawk is not yet pumped. Nice. Cool. ETC can get past the red cloud. What's up, Armand? How you doing, man? ETC can get past the red cloud. Okay, yeah. She was on sale. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye. Okay, guys, let's go take a look at SHIB, actually, huh? Let's see what's going on here. Armand, so I got to show you this real quick. We've got a petition going on, guys. Anybody new to the stream, too, check this out. Kindly request of Robinhood to list Shiba Inu coin. Right, so definitely go check this out. You can find it right here on my page, or you can find it in chat. I know Mofo's been dropping it in here, but you can go right here, and if you want to retweet this out, also, you know, like this tweet, get it out, and then put it on your page too. Right, get this out. So convince Robinhood to add it. This would be sweet. All right, let's see where we're at, guys. Where are we at in market cap? All right, still 28 in market cap, so that's good. Hey, I got randomly banned from the SHIB Discord. It's an IP ban. What should I do? Jason, I don't know about that, man. I have no idea about that. Maybe somebody else could help you out. I'm actually not on the SHIB Discord, so I need to be, though, huh? Sounds like I need to be. Eduardo, I'm holding. Oh, here's the link. Nice, Mofo. Appreciate that, man. ESO, Shiba Army, I signed that already. Robinhood for Robinhood. Nice, power source, nice. Drop in chat if you signed it for Robinhood already. Did you sign it? Just put signed. Just put signed in chat if you signed it. Hodl and buying the dip. Scott, nice. Okay, interesting. I can tell you're comfortable with communication. Cool. Yeah, Alan. Yeah, that's kind of my teaching helps with that, and then broadcasting helps with that. So, but in terms of the finance, the crypto space, stock space, had a few good friends that taught me some things, and then a lot of it is watching YouTube, man. A lot of it's just self-taught. And again, I don't know everything. I'm still learning, but I'm trying to learn each and every day. That's the thing, man. Trying to learn each and every day. Learn something new about the space. So I'm learning from all you guys too. I'm learning from everybody in here. So that's awesome. Scott signed it. Nice. Wayne signed it. Nice. You could use Blockfolio. There you go. Where do I find this petition? Our mod just put it in chat. Our moderator just put it in chat. KG Lion. Or if this is easier for you, you could just go right to my Twitter and find my tweet here. So it's at Z_Humphreys. You can go right to my tweet here and click this link. You can get to it that way too. It's up to you. Shiba going to the moon. Javier, nice, man. Welcome to the stream, brother. Scott, buy from Binance. Radul signed it. Nice. Can you put link in bio? It's right here, man. It's right here on my Twitter. It's also linked in chat. Oh, there you go. Mofo hooked you up. Mofo hooked you up. Mr. 26, it's called an Ichikomo cloud strategy at the moment. Shiba Inu is actually coming out with the clouds on top of it, while the other two coins are still beneath the clouds. Okay, interesting, Mr. 26. You seem pretty informed, man. I like it. Casey, I just signed the Robinhood petition. Nice. Nice. Just bought Shiba signed too. Nice. Signed. Sana, nice. Fix it, Felix. How do I buy SafeMoon or Shiba? Shiba can be bought on Uniswap. I got mine on crypto.com. All right, let's take a look at this. Let's refresh here. All right, guys, let's see what's going on here. Okay, just retracing is just slowly kind of. We need a nice spike upwards, guys. But a lot of this was just sell off from, I think, just a lot of whales, regardless, whether it be, whatever coin you're looking at, right? A lot of things sold off here. Okay, let's take a look. Yeah, guys, here's the Robinhood petition if you're new here. If you're just coming in, make sure you smash the like button. Would appreciate it. So Bitcoin down almost 30%, guys, in the last week. Wow. Cardano still in a nice buying spot, 188. Link, we're sitting right at 40. Polygon, VeChain is down. Dot is down, actually, below 40. Doge down at 44. So if you're new here, you haven't heard me say this before, I like getting Doge under 40. I like getting Doge under 40. So let's take a look at Dogecoin real quick. Take a look at Doge on the 7-day. So I'll tell you where I added on to my current position. So when this thing dipped, I think we might have even been on stream when it was dipping. And I was getting pretty excited. Yeah, way down here it dipped back on Thursday, right? So last Thursday it was dipping down here. This was a nice time to get in. So anytime you see something like this below 40 on Doge, yeah, look at that. Last month it really hasn't been below 40. It's really been the only time, huh? So interesting. Last 3 months it's been the only time. Even if it touches, close to it. But look, it could be heading back down to that spot, guys. So really, even like right now would be, not a terrible spot to open up a position in Doge. But look at the 1 day. This thing. Look at this. Everything's sold off, right? Look at this. This thing's sold off like crazy. See? Tracing back up now on Doge. School bus driver, we don't be Jason, I will hold till it allows me to quit my day job. Nice, Jason. I hear you, man. Going to sleep. Cheers from Montreal, guys. See you, Alan. May the force be with SHIB and even ETH. Yeah, man. Come back to the channel, dude. Make sure you check out some of the videos posted up there. Have a good night. Take care, brother. Irma signed it. Nice. Awesome, man. I found it and signed it. Nice, KG. Nice. Awesome. VC. Fix it, Felix. Repair coin market. See the coin. Okay. Shiba Army is not holding. Yeah, not at the moment, huh? It could just be the big whales. Let's see here. 28. Okay. Man, we want to work back up here, guys. That would be nice, huh? That would be nice. Make sure you guys smash that like button. We at least got to get to 200 likes tonight. A little quiet night, but that's okay. A lot of people maybe, you know, going to bed early tonight. Not a lot of news in the Shiba Inu space. Well, until a little bit ago. And then the whole crypto space had some news with everything falling, huh? But hopefully we can work ourselves back up. Thoughts on Polygon? Dakota, absolutely love it, man. Absolutely love Polygon. In fact, I will show you here something on Polygon. Yeah, Matic's one of my favorites, Dakota. Definitely one of my favorites. So actually, Dakota, let me show you. Let's show you right here. Go check out this video right here. I put up 14 hours ago, Dakota. Polygon Matic outperforming Doge. You'll get to hear, you know, why I like it so much. I might have put out another one on Poly too. I talked about Poly in some of these last live streams 3-4 days ago too. I know I talked a lot about Polygon in these too. So go back, check those out. Definitely check out the video all on Matic. It's a really, really good one. Yeah, I'm a huge fan. So yeah, I mean, just look at what it's done. You know, we were talking about this last week, and we were talking about Matic last week, and look what it's done. I mean, it's just skyrocketed. You know. I mean, take a look here. If we do the 24-hour, okay, so Phantom actually has made a little bit more of a push just in the 24-hour period, but look at the 7-day. Polygon 91%. It was up at 120%. So whole market's down though. Yeah, normal. We're down in SHIB. Yeah, just hold. Exactly, just hold. Jorge Ruiz. I've been watching people selling billions, so that's big whale selling. Yeah, for sure. That's for sure, Ruiz. Yep. Any idea how we're moving up in the market cap, but down in value? Well, because everything's going down, right? So everything around us is also moving down. So we're moving up in market cap, but you know, so look what's around us here. So so it's 28 market cap, but look at Monero. So they're moving down. Everything's moving down pretty much, right? Polygon though, still up on the 24-hour. But yeah, that's why everything's moving down. So we're holding steady in the market cap, but 5.7 right now. We're close to Neo. Filecoin's got a nice gap on us right now. But we're still top 30, guys. Top 30 token. There you go. Solomon Matic has been my best crypto this month by far. Yeah, man, it's a great one. It's a great one, for sure. Fix it, Felix. How long does it take after you sell to get Manic has been, yeah. I got most of my juice on H bar. Okay, H bar. I don't know anything about that, Luden. What's H bar? Maybe I do. Hold on. H bar. Jamie, welcome back. Welcome, welcome. Luden. Is this it? Oh, wait. I typed your name in, Luden. What the heck? H bar. Here we go. Interesting. Okay. Number 52 market rank. Wow, this had some nice pop. I'll have to check this out. I have to learn more about this one. Okay. All right, guys. Hey, we're right at the market, 2 hours. Not a lot of news tonight, but hey, we're waiting on some big news. Okay, we're waiting on some big news with Shiba Swap. Make sure you guys go check out this tweet. Find the Robinhood link here. We can make some changes. Hopefully, Robinhood will add the Shiba token. So make sure you guys find this. And listen, hopefully we get some good news on Shiba Swap tomorrow. I'll be watching. So we'll be back. I'll put out some more videos, some more content tomorrow, and we'll be back with another live stream most likely too. So just follow me on Twitter. Make sure you know every time we're putting out another video. Make sure you also follow us here to make sure you're following all the SHIB news as well. So thank you, everybody. I appreciate all of you again tonight. Thank you, thank you, thank you. The next 100x coin, Joshua. Oh man, I don't know. I'm gonna go with Shiba Inu, 100x from here. I prefer VeChain. VeChain could be yeah, that's a pretty good one actually. XX Rui, that's a pretty good one. Solomon, hey man, I understand. You know, I understand. Follow the link and sign. Yes, I'm with Armand on that. There it is, guys. Okay. SHIB moving up again. All right, we'll take one more look at it before we get out of here. We'll take one more look before we get out. So let's close that down. Let's take one more glance at it, guys. Freezing stream, really? Da, da, da. 14.6. What's it doing here? Okay, slowly coming back up. Yeah, okay. All right, we got to watch it. We'll watch it closely. Guys, thank you. Thank you all so much. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me tonight. As Armand said, everyone follow that link and sign. Hope you guys got the dip. We're going up. Yes. There's the link, guys. Armand's got it in chat. Okay. All right, guys. I will catch you all tomorrow. Have a great night. Thanks again for being on the stream. Take care, everybody.